Big things often have small beginnings. The adage is specifically true for a successful Fijian for today, who from a small barbershop has now opened a new hotel accommodation in Savusavu, Vanuatu. Eleanor Turangaview has the story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Meet 54-year-old Mukesh Chand, a humble yet very inspiring father of three. Born in 1965 in Bulileka, Lambasa, Chand is one of 8 children in the family. He was forced to drop out of school at a very young age.
I was an average student in my class, so I just went up to Form 4. That's my education level.
With his father being a carpenter and his mum unemployed, Chand took it upon himself to help support his family.
I worked in a sawmill and then later on went to harvest sugarcane. And then I ended up in a elite theatre where I was a cleaner theatre. And then from there I ended up in a barber shop.
Chand found his passion in the barber shop, where he quickly learned the skills of the trade in only 3 years. Saving whatever money he had, Chand had plans to start his own barber shop, but in Savusavu.
I heard that there is only one barber, so the potential for the business was really high. And that time haircut was very like 50 cents, a small head, and $1. The highest I could get was $2 a haircut. So it was very hard to save money.
In 1991, the young and reckless Chand, with only $95 in his pocket, made this dream a reality.
$5 was bus fare, so I paid $5. I was left with only $95. From there I started. So my rent was $100, and first rent I couldn't pay my first rent.
A year later, he tied the knot and had 3 children. But he did not just settle with his barbershop business. He wanted to do more.
It was all my wife's plan, and she had an idea. Said, why don't we see people coming up and looking for spaces? So it came in her mind that we do something like this, and we never look back.
4 months ago, Bayview Barbers Lodge, just by Savusavu Bay, was opened, and now they are booked out almost every week. There are plans for expansion.
We have to go up another story. I have got the land there. We have to build there, and we are looking more space and more land, and we want to be in this business, and we go more deeper in this.
Chand attributes his success to the support and drive from his wife. He confidently told us they are now well off, and their secret is:
when you get the money in your hand, that's your money. You hold it to yourself. You think how you're gonna spend that. Don't just, you see what someone is doing and you try to do it. As far as when the money is in your hand, that's yours. If it goes out, it's not yours. No longer belongs to you. So you keep that, manage your money.
Eleanor Turangaview, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.